Hey everyone, this is That's Toys and Things, and you don't often find me doing a review of pliers because after all, they're pliers, right? However, this one caught my attention. Number one, they're under 50 bucks for three, and number two, they're multifunction, which is what I'm gonna show you later. And this product came to me like this. No packaging at all. No some sort of a user manual, and I think I'm fine with that. If you buy regular pliers like this, you get it into a packaging, then you have a hard time opening the packaging, which is you're gonna throw away. It's a waste, and I think that added to the cost of the tool itself. This one, it's called Kauhawin. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'll put it in the description so you can take a look and see if this is something that you would like. I appreciate this coming in this particular container because this one I can reuse, right? So it says this is made of alloy steel. I don't know exactly what that means, and I'm hoping that will last, but it looks pretty solid. Okay, so you got the long nose pliers, and you got the cutter, and you got the regular plier. This. So right off the bat, I do like the color, and here all of them comes with a lock, so that's nice. You know, sometimes when you put these things in your toolbox, they would open up and then they get snagged into other tools. So this lock is really good. All of them have their own locks, right? And so one of the reasons why I bought this, according to their ad, this is an electrician's tool. Well, I do like the color of this one better because I can see it clearly, and this is actually my favorite. It's very light, and I use it when I'm working with electrical whatsoever. Now here, you can see this is a little bit different, and you see the serrated things right here. So I think you can use it to, some nuts if you want to open it. If it's small enough, I think you can grab it and then, open it instead of using this part right here. You see all those, and in the middle, you can see that. Let me grab something. You can see this. Yeah, that works a bit. Locks it up. So if this is the only tool that you have, you can use it. Or if it's big enough, you could probably grip it through here. As you can see, that's a nice grip. And now the other purpose, I guess that's why it's called an electrician's plier. It's got a built-in wire stripper. You can see right there. Is it any good? Let me see. So let's try this one. 14. I don't have a grip. So I guess I gotta use the other one. Yeah, that works. Yeah, that works. I still like this one better when stripping wires. Anyway, you don't have to carry a separate wire stripper. So you can see you got anywhere from 16 up to the biggest, which is 8. And of course you have this in the middle, the spring, so less effort. And all of them actually have those. So this cutter right here, they have them too. A little bit of a weird design right here. See all of this? I don't think that's necessary, but it looks cool. And for the long nose, same thing. Oh, look at that. So this one also have that. So again, that's a nice grip. You know, if this is the only tool that you have, so it'll give you a nice grip on that bolt right there. So you don't strip it, see that? That's a nice grip. And at the same time, you got a long nose pliers. And at the same time, you got a wire stripper. What else can you ask for? And again, for the price, under 50 bucks. And it comes with this case. I like this thing. It's a little bit heavier. This thing is a little bit heavier than this. Let me see if I can. So this one is 169 grams. And this one is 255 grams. So definitely this one is heavier. I guess more solid. Rust resistant? I don't know. I'm just gonna maintain it with some oil. And there you go. I mean, for the price, I think I'm gonna be using this most of the time. Yeah, I wish this is a little bit more like this. So, you know, grip in the hand. But it's fine. I mean, like I said, for the price, and you get this free case, plastic case, not a packaging that you just throw away and you cannot use, and it's hard to open. There you go. Again, what's the name of this thing? Here you go. It's Kaihawin. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but I'm just trying my best here. So, once again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to click that like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when a new video is out. And I will see you on my next one. Hey, looks like Mastercraft. Well, this one, oh, this one fits in. So now, I have a small toolbox for all of them. That is really nice.